Chemistry, Class 8, Chapter 6A, Part 2, Conditions Necessary for Chemical Reactions by Zainab Bahari.
Hello dear friends, welcome to Class 8 Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about the new topic of chemical reactions. In the last period we learned about few characteristics of chemical reactions. Today we are going to learn conditions which are necessary for chemical reaction to take place. So here are all the conditions which are required for chemical reactions. First, close contact. Second, attraction between the substances, that is with respect to its solution form. Third, heat energy. Fourth, light energy. Fifth, electricity. Sixth condition is pressure. Seven is catalyst. This catalyst has wide range. Let us discuss one by one each of it with examples and few practicals. So the first is close contact. Chemical reactions take place between the two reactants only when they are coming close. That means when they are in close contact, they are mixing with each other. For example, when sodium metal is allowed to keep in kerosene, it is not reacting. For the reaction of it with water, we need to keep sodium metal into the water. Let us see what happens.
Chemical reaction takes place when two or more than two substances directly come into the contact with each other. If sodium is placed in the kerosene, no reaction takes place. But if it is kept in water, a vigorous reaction takes place, which is an explosive reaction.
So here you can observe when sodium comes in contact with water, it reacts with it and sodium hydroxide is formed. Along with it, gas is getting liberated and this gas is nothing but hydrogen. You can test presence of hydrogen by burning the candle near the tube containing hydrogen gas. It will get extinguished with the popping sound and the flame will convert blue in color. This confirms hydrogen gas is produced in reaction of sodium and water due to close contact. Now we will move to the second condition, that is attraction in physical state of the two reactants. It means when two reactants are in solution form, then and then their molecules get interreacted with each other to conduct chemical reaction and form products. For example, if you will mix solid powder of silver nitrate and sodium chloride, they will not react. If you will make their solution and then both the solution you will allow to react with each other, the chemical reaction will take place. Let us observe the chemical reaction between both the reactants. Here, aqueous solution of silver nitrate reacts with sodium chloride and as a result of reaction, silver chloride and sodium nitrate form. In this, silver chloride is giving white color precipitate. The next condition required for chemical reaction is heat energy. Some chemical reactions takes place only in presence of heat. Let us observe example. Here you can see lead nitrate powder, when it is heated, it gets decomposed. Here, decomposition of lead nitrate requires high temperature. On heating, lead nitrate gets decomposed to give lead monoxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas. You can see in the test tube, lead monoxide remains as yellow colored powder, while nitrogen dioxide gets liberated in form of gas in brown color along with oxygen. Another reaction you can look, when iron and sulfur are placed together, they will not react until and unless they will heat at high temperature. On heating, they use iron 2 sulfide. Let us move toward the fourth condition required for chemical reactions. That is light energy. Few reactions are very particular. They are taking place only and only in presence of sunlight or light. For example, photosynthesis. Inside the leaves of the plant, in chlorophyll pigments, carbon dioxide and water reacts with each other. With the help of sunlight, chemical reaction takes place and carbohydrates, water and oxygen are formed. This reaction is not possible in absence of light. We will move to the next condition required for chemical reaction, electricity. Some chemical reactions are take place only when electricity is passing through the reactants and the reactants get electrolytically decomposed to give products. Observe this. Here you can see water when it is acidulated and allowed to set into electrolysis due to the electric current, it gets decomposed into hydrogen and oxygen. Remember, pure water is bad conductor of electricity. So we have to make it little bit acidulated. You can add here little amount of acid or any base or any salt. Next condition for chemical reaction to be taken place is pressure. Some chemical reactions are taking place only when they are subjected under the high pressure. Hydrogen and nitrogen gas, when are allowed to sit in high pressure and low temperature, ammonia is produced. Let us observe ammonia production plant and see how the two gases under pressure reacts with each other to give ammonia. I hope you understood the role of pressure for chemical reactions. Next and the last point is catalyst. Dear friends, catalysts are nothing but the substances which are not actually taking part in chemical reactions, but their presence either increases or decreases rate of chemical reaction. Such substances are called as catalyst. Catalysts, those who are increasing rate of chemical reaction, are called as positive catalyst. On the other hand, those who are decreasing rate of chemical reactions are called as negative catalyst. You can observe here how catalysts are increasing or decreasing rate of chemical reaction. In this reaction, when potassium chlorate is heated at 700 degrees Celsius, then it gets decomposes into potassium chloride and oxygen gas. To limit the temperature, if we will add here catalyst, then chemical reaction rate can be increased. So, manganese dioxide is the catalyst used in this reaction. Manganese dioxide encourages the rate of chemical reaction and it takes place faster even in the low temperature range, that is at 300 degrees Celsius. And potassium chloride with oxygen are formed. The same way, promoters are also used in few chemical reactions. These promoters are making efficiency in the role of catalyst. For example, molybdenum is working as promoter in the formation of ammonia with nitrogen and hydrogen gas, and iron is working as a catalyst. Second type of catalyst are negative catalysts. Negative catalysts are those who are decreasing rate of chemical reactions. For example, phosphoric acid is working as negative catalyst to decrease the rate of decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. And alcohol is playing a role of negative catalyst. Besides this, many enzymes are also working as catalyst in the different biochemical processes. Enzymes are nothing but the complex proteins which are acting as catalysts in the biochemical reactions. You can observe information about enzymes in this slide. Various enzymes are playing crucial role in the digestion of food in our alimentary canal, as well as many enzymes are working in the different biological processes. Dear students, here we complete our chapter 6 part A of chemical reactions. Solve exercise and learn and revise all the topics. We will meet in the second semester, hope so, in school. Till then, goodbye and take care. Keep on studying. All the best.